At Energy Suspension, we design high-performance polyurethane bushings that outlast and outperform rubber, engineered for performance, built to last. In this segment, we'll walk you through the process of installing our body mounts, ensuring a smoother, more responsive ride. Before separating the body from the frame to remove the body mount bushings,
We attach the frame to the lift with chains, and then we place bottle jacks on the lift, put a block of wood to protect the bottom of the cab, and then the bottle jacks will separate the cab from the frame. The weight of the body on the jack holds the frame down, so your suspension doesn't lift.
start by loosening the lower isolators of the OEM body mounts to allow the cab some movement. Next, remove the two cab bolts on one side and carefully use a jack to lift the body off the frame.
You always want to look around underneath the truck before you lift the body off to make sure that you have plenty of slack and all the wires and the cables and things like that. Most of that's on the driver's side on this truck, and so I checked it all yesterday before I jacked it up, so I know that we're good.
Once lifted, slide out the upper portion of the mount.
This assembly is getting replaced with this setup here, and the sleeve goes in the center. We can do the finish height pretty much the same. Ours is actually a little shorter, but that's because this won't compress as much as the rubber. The first thing to do for installing the new ones is to get this plate bolted in place.
And insert the new one. Repeat this process for all 4 mounts.
Now we need to drop the bolts in from the top. That'll work out. So now I just need to lower this down. So then you just push the sleeve up in the bushing, and then the bottom bushing, bottom washer, and the factory nut.
Upgrade your vehicle today with Energy Suspension's premium polyurethane bushings that outlast and outperform rubber. Do it once. Do it right.